Today we are installing the 3.5-inch shoe group of the Model 254 hydraulic bender that is mounted on the Model 252 mobile bending station. Begin by unscrewing the conduit couplings from the ends of the conduit near the carriage with vise and removing the carriage with vise. Pull the retaining pin and remove the clevis. Disconnect the hydraulic hose from the pump. With two people holding the bender frame, open the gates on both sides of the bender mounting unit and lower the frame with hydraulic cylinder onto the table of the mobile bending station. Next, remove the spring clips from the two cylinder block pins and slide out both pins. Remove the hydraulic cylinder with block and set aside. Lift the frame side that is located on the opposite side of the pump pedestal until fully upright, and close the gate to lock into position. Remove the 3.5-inch follow bar from its storage location on the mobile bending station by pulling the two spring-loaded retainer bracket pins and lowering the brackets. Position the follow bar on the table of the bending station with the ears of the follow bar facing up and the end of the follow bar marked start near the frame assembly roller. Then slide the follow bar over the roller about halfway and turn the roller bar so the blue rails are on the lower side and touching the roller. Release the gate on the upper frame side and lower the frame side down to the table. Reinstall the hydraulic cylinder with block into the frame sides and pin together using the two cylinder block pins and the hole marked for 3.5-inch conduit. Secure the pins with spring clips. Lift the frame assembly into position and lower both gates of the bender mounting unit until the paws click into position. Attach the hydraulic hose to the coupling on the hydraulic pump, making sure that the connection is fully tightened. Slide the carriage with vise onto the two pieces of conduit. Then replace the conduit couplings onto the conduit and fully tighten to secure the carriage with vise. Place the clevis onto the end of the hydraulic cylinder and secure with the clevis retaining clip. Place the 3.5-inch bending shoe between the frames and in the grooves of the follow bar, making sure the saddle pin hole is facing outward. Rotate the pump valve lever on the hydraulic pump to the closed position and advance the cylinder until the clevis holes are aligned with the correct hole for the type conduit you are bending. Arrows on the bending shoe indicate the correct hole for either rigid IMC conduit or EMT conduit. Once aligned with the correct hole, insert the clevis pin and secure with a spring clip. Rotate the pump valve lever on the hydraulic pump to the open position to retract the hydraulic cylinder and raise the bending shoe. With the saddle insert lip facing away from the follow bar, align the saddle holes with shoe hole and insert the saddle pin. Then secure the saddle pin with a spring clip. The saddle can be removed and installed as needed to load and unload conduit. Refer to your operating manual for detailed instructions on bender setup.